Welcome guys, today I will unboxing Philips Hue starter kit. This one is third generation and it has a richer colors than generation before. How we can see that? We can see in the right corner it's that richer colors. That's the only way you can see it's third generation. And it's also 2.1 bridge. Let's begin with unboxing. Alright, let's see what we get in the box. Nice presentation, personal wireless lighting. Alright, let's see. The first of all we get 2.1 Hue bridge. With this we can control all the blobs. Without it you can do actually anything. So it's really important to buy the starter kit, because otherwise you can do anything without it. On the back we got only one wall mount bracket. As you can see it says 2.1. And on the front we got 3 light indicators and only one on-off switch, and we got only 2 ports, one for the internet and the other one is for the power adapter. Alright, let's see the power adapter itself. It's a nice little box. By the way, this starter kit cost around 170 euros. It's not cheap, but I think it's worth it because you get a lot and it's really cool too. You can control with your phone. I used also in my iLamp Pro. Check that video if you haven't seen yet. Alright, next we have internet cable. It's handy that they included the internet cable, so if you haven't one you can take this and you can plug in and you are ready to go. Next we get some paperwork. We got menu user guide, how to set up, and it tell you must download an app and install and so on and on. And then next we get guarantee papers. It's a boring stuff but we must go through, right? Nothing really interesting here. Next we got the 3 blobs itself. There are around 800 lumens, so it's not really bright but it's enough, and it's really cool, so you can do actually a lot with it. You can be creative with 16 million colors. You can set it up with timer. If you want to wake up with lights you can do that also, and there are many options to do with it. You can also sync with your computer or with music or with movie. You can sync also with games. If you are gaming you can set up and it's really cool. You get this special effect, so I like a lot. So this was a quick unboxing of Philips Hue. Thanks for watching.